1961 Jaguar Mark II 3.8 manual Coombs. Home market right-hand drive 3.8 manual Mark II, supplied new by Coombs and Sons of Guildford, Surrey. Fully documented restoration to a very high standard, finished in its original paint colour, opalescent gunmetal. A rare example supplied and serviced by Coombs until 1968, remaining in family ownership until 2011. Accompanied by 2 detailed history files with early history, including the original service book, Jaguar Heritage Certificate and restoration documents. Low ownership with continuous history from new, documented restoration with images and invoices. Further upgrades include power steering, 5-speed gearbox, triple SUs and a modern cooling system.